Yeah, Arpal. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Oh, you can hear me? Wow.
Okay.
So,
What are
Sarji,
our clients?
okay, now the thing is, we got everything and I paid him. Okay, so he gave all the things. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm giving you the information. 1 second. Are you going to the same? 1 second. This is 183, 82, 98, 9. Yours.
One?
183, 82, 98, 9. And the you have to no,
Club.
you have to cross it. You have to close it because it's not right. Your is a 4444 port, right? It's not 4444.
Oh,
It's a 2123.
not this system.
Yeah, just because the port number 18 like 183, 82, 98, 4
One second.
9.
1 second. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, 4444. Remove, make 123.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes, and option. Click on options. Right, GRC user 4 username. हाँ थोड़ा अरे हम तो टाइट बहुत है हाँ
Username is
GRC user 4 good
GRC
can you
user 4. Okay.
wow
And
GRC
okay.
at the rate
Uh,
321
3 to 1.
yes okay now there are two systems, one is ECC, one is GRC. Okay, so
Two
I
separate
have
systems.
there are two systems, different systems,
Okay, fine.
and let's go to GRC. Now I have three clients. One is the real client, second is your client, third is my client. Okay, 473 is a real-time client,
Okay.
so user password is same. You want your right
Yeah.
478,
478.
yeah, which is your client.
My client means?
Means you will work on 478, I will work in 479, and
Okay.
they are totally clean. Nothing is there, no configuration.
Okay. So user ID same, huh?
Yeah, GRC user 4 GRC at the rate 321
GRC at the rate 3 to 1.
321. Yeah,
Okay. Is it
10.1
f- no, which version?
10.1.
10.1. No? Okay.
It's a very good system, right?
Yeah,
Only
yeah.
the thing I'm seeing is the RFC connection. I think we have to make the RFC connection. It is not there.
Yeah, yeah, we can make it. Okay. And another yeah, ECC client?
800.
800. Same user ID.
Everything is same. GRC user 4.
And 3 to 1.
Yeah, GRC at the rate 321. And I talked to that guy, and he said that he cannot give us, but he will
Okay.
create client for us. I said that's good, no issues.
Okay, okay. Anyway, we require clients only.
Yeah, that I'm saying.
If
And
they create and perform
yeah, that takes so
copy,
much time.
yeah, so much time they can see. Okay, so here it is ECC.
That's good thing that both are
No, no,
different.
this is
ECC.
because I'm searching like software components. I want to know what are the components they have given.
They have GRC FNT underscore A. That's good.
And underscore that is okay, but see what they didn't give these, no? See, okay. So M21 there.
Purchase order.
Okay. So we do some services and all, and we will create one RFC connection. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is EH7. This is GR.
10.1. Yeah. So should I start? Can you give me the control so that I can do it?
Yeah. Pardon?
Should I run it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I know the stuff.
You know all the things, right?
Yeah, whatever you mentioned, I know that, right? So we have to repeat everything, right?
Yes. So I will
That
create RFC connection and all today. Okay.
no. I'm saying that I'm saying that
Yeah.
currently you can give me the control. Let me do the stuff.
Currently,
Right now, I'm saying.
yeah. No, right now.
Yeah. Instead of you'll do it, I'll do it. That I'm saying.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm saying instead of you do it, I'll do it here. Are you getting me?
Yeah, yeah.
So give me the control. Because we have to configure everything, right? I'm saying that now you'll configure everything. Instead, whatever you did, I can configure.
Okay.
Can you give me the control? Ravji? Sarji?
Yeah, tell me.
Can you give me the control?
Yes, yes. Give just 1 second. Just 1 second.
उसे पूरा कॉपी तो नहीं कर दिया because it is already there.
Yeah. Okay. I'm giving. Uh, okay. Take it now. SICF.
Now the thing is, everything is already there.
Yeah, because these are client independent things.
Oh, acha, okay. Okay, this is already there. Then we have to go back. Then we have to say the BCC set. I sent email to them, Explore IT.
Oh,
So I'll tell you what I did. Best thing is, better to copy it, right?
yes.
See how to make it copy. Can you Control Y, then Shift? It's not taking it.
Yeah.
Control Y, because otherwise you have to keep on doing the same. Okay, no issues. So you want me to activate everything, right?
Yes.
Activate, right?
Yeah, activated. See, 1 second, I will send you one choose expert mode.
That's the problem. Oh, what are you doing?
No, 1 second.
Are you doing something?
No. Yeah, okay. Okay, open. Yeah, close it. Yes. A mistaken, I have opened one browser.
That's the problem. I always keep on doing the stuff. So do you want me to do everything?
R3. Do R3 also. Yes, that's it.
Expert mode, right?
Yes.
Last time also we did expert mode, right? Remember?
Yes, expert mode.
Okay. Okay, one is good, right?
Yeah, now we can create RFC.
बस आई मीन टू से वो नहीं करना आगे
Okay.
R3 ECCS
Not required exactly.
लेकिन वो नहीं आएगा ना then you will not get risk for the basis for ECCS
वो
I
आए
think
वो
basis
कॉमन रूल सेट में आएगा.
आएगा मतलब but we have to activate it without that
Yeah.
we will not get it
Yes, activate it.
otherwise we will not get it
Paul, where you live in the US? Which
yeah
place?
yes Denver
Denver?
yeah
Okay.
ECCS also That's it.
Yeah. That's it. They're all
JD, Oracle, Peace Out, AP, BC, HR, NHR, R3SM not required, right?
yes.
Okay, this is there. Now we will go for SUPC.
Yeah.
SUPC, activate. Online. Yeah, output fall generated.
Okay.
Right now
Yes.
we can create a user, right?
Yeah.
Or what we can do is we can use the same user, grc user 4, right?
Yes.
Log on data is a dialog and give. Is that right?
Yes. Yes. Select all.
Also give SAP for all is
Okay.
there. Okay. Now if you see NWBC,
Yeah.
NWBC.
Yes. Fine.
It's
Very good.
good, right?
Yes. Yes.
It's better than that one. That was 10.0, it is 10.1.
Yes. Yes.
I think working fine. It's good. Then we do the backend system integration, right?
Yes. Yes.
Or firstly, let's create a SM59.
Hmm.
तो इसमें ECC client का नहीं है 800, right? But we don't know what ECC client 800, right?
No, that is there. Created.
No, it's not created. That's why I'm creating.
Yeah.
You want to see it?
Not here. Go
Sorry?
and create a logical system
Okay.
in sale.
Yeah.
Otherwise, create one communication user also.
First, okay, BD. Okay. Logical system. क्या लिखना?
So logical system our is GRC CLNT. Already it is there.
It is what is a 478, right? Okay. So GSC ये है ना?
That is 473 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can create 478, right?
Yeah. Right? देखो उसका भी इसी.
Yes, yes. No, no, ECC we cannot create here. In that system only can create.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we have to get new one.
So create it.
Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Assign it to client.
Sorry.
assign that logical system to client 47.
Yeah. क्या है इसका?
Yeah, go to basic system, logical systems. Second one, assign logical system to client.
Yeah,
double click. Yes, here select logical.
No, this is not the client, right?
No, that select logical system. Yeah.
No, लेकिन I'm saying we should fix it. I can do the same thing.
Okay. If you want to change, you can change it.
Good. Is it good?
Yes.
278 तो इसका करंट हो गया, ठीक है. Now next is RFC.
Yes. Create here also create or what you can say in the ECC also create logical system.
Here.
So here in GRC we have created, in the same way create in ECC also.
तो यहाँ पर नहीं create करना ECC का? Not here.
No, not here. That is separate system, no?
Sure. This is 800.
Yeah, go back. I just executed 21.
यहाँ तो already होगा शायद, because this client is.
होगा तो ठीक है.
I'm gonna stay here with Papa. Same. We're gonna stay here. Why can't I stay a little late? No. There's no school tomorrow. So what? Why can't I just do Sakasa with Papa? Yeah. I'm doing Sakasa with Papa. Papa, can you come up?
After this, I'll come with 3 jobs.
Okay, you know what? Tomorrow you're going to be in timeout. Do you want to be on timeout?
We'll go away!
What is job?
We'll go away!
Looks like the ECC system is a new one. That's why they didn't run the compile.
Yes. Yeah, every T code is compiling.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm just seeing something.
How they charge you for it?
I'm sorry?
How much they charge?
Yeah, 1500. 1500.
Okay.
So here is the ECC client and this is 800 APU. I'm just checking. EC3 client 800. We can use the same thing, right?
Our SID EC7, no?
No, naam to you can give any name, right?
You can give any name, but if we give SID, you can easily identify. That is the thing.
What are you talking about? Sorry.
No. If we follow our SID, we can easily identify.
Okay. What is SID?
EH7.
How do you know?
See,
okay. I got it. Okay, so I should create new one, right?
Yeah.
New. I got it. EH7CLNT. तो वो क्या है? वो GRC था?
वो GRC का GRC है SID.
GRC, okay, ठीक है. Okay, I got it. So basically GRC is a host name, right? EH7 is what?
No. EH7 is SID. Host name is SAP GRC.
Okay, okay, I got it. So if I go their systems, status, and EH7, this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So EH7 client 800.
EH7 CLNT 800. No. Yes, QCM EH7. Yes.
Okay. For every T code it's सर ये अपना आप खींच दो इस चीज को ना बड़ी मुश्किल से मिला ये
Okay.
I'm saying with the trouble we got this. So इसको अब थोड़ा पुश करके ना खींच दो इसे
Okay.
खींच दो मतलब थोड़ा कर दो इसका ना
Okay.
So I'm just thinking to send you money through Western Union. What do you think? Is that okay?
Yeah. So,
And I gave this guy 1500.
how much? 15.
1500.
Okay.
Yeah.
But okay, it is good. Not 1500. We got two
Yes, two clients
servers.
and one master client.
Yeah. And that too, we have two separate servers, no? Like
Yes, even yes, you're right.
ECC and GRC.
Yeah, real time.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is there now.
Yes.
Where to go there? Sale. I wrote him. They called me today.
Who?
We explore wale.
Oh.
I told them that guys, you told me that you'll give the training for 10.1,
Yeah.
but it was 10.0. But still, I said okay, no problem. I'll go ahead. And there was no session yesterday because the system was not working. Day before yesterday, same thing happened. System was not working properly. So I mean, I'm wasting time.
Yeah.
You're not providing me this thing. So I'll go some other place.
Okay. So today morning they called me.
They will call
me and
you.
said, please check again the server. I said I am in the class. I will check after some time.
तो यहाँ पर अब कहाँ जाए?
वही SI Logical System to client. Double click that client 800.
Yes.
Yes.
तो वहाँ पर तो ऑलरेडी होगा ना?
No, वो निकाल देना वो.
है? निकाल दूँ?
हाँ, निकाल दूँ.
अच्छा.
Select our logical system.
Okay.
Otherwise, we cannot create RFC connection.
Right. Yeah. But this is a cross client, right? So it won't affect on them.
No. See, that is a normal, what you can say, standard logical system we are doing.
नहीं इनको प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी?
अगर होगा तो वो बाद में चेंज करेगा, ठीक है.
Okay. because it's a cross client, so it will affect all places.
Okay.
Sir, I think we should not change it. You know why?
That is
We
not,
can.
no need to change. That is okay. Leave it.
No, no, sir, ऐसा why I'm saying is because
Yeah.
they might be angry, say, why did you change it, and they can restrict our.
Okay, okay, leave it. Not a problem. We know client number, no? See, this is not, we require that logical system name only. Okay.
Okay.
We don't have any business with this name.
Okay. What should I do?
Yeah, yeah. So then,
तो इसको रहने दे, मतलब इसको.
yeah, I said, oh, not a problem. That's not a.
नहीं, उनका सिस्टम ब्रेक तो नहीं हो जाएगा?
नहीं break हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Our concern is the logical system name only. Okay.
Okay. That's
Not
fine.
this client name.
Okay. Now I'm going there for RFC.
Yeah.
Yes.
So can you create one user ID both the side?
Same.
ID?
Can we use the same or not?
Same.
Yeah, GRC.
Okay.
Or let's create new one. You want to create new one?
Yeah, normally we can create one
Yes.
RFC user.
GRC RFC
Yeah.
user. Okay. Is that fine?
Yes.
What you want, dialogue or system user?
Now, first give dialogue only.
Okay.
Okay, after that we change the user type.
Mm-hmm. Password India 123.
Yeah. Okay. Use that last name also.
Okay. Yeah.
So understand my last name.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this से नया हो जाएगा मेरे ख्याल से. We have to create one RFC role.
GRC.
SAP don't give RFC permission, I believe.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah. Okay.
ठीक है ये.
Yeah, ठीक है.
सेम थे वहाँ बनाए.
Yeah, same thing. इधर भी एक ECC RFC यूजर बनाओ.
Okay. ECC का.
This is which system? GRC?
Yeah, GRC.
Yeah. Now we are in GRC, right?
Yeah.
Yes, right. ECC LNT 800. GRC 4782. Yes, ECC 800.
And target host.
That host name.
Huh?
Yeah, SAP GRC.
Yeah.
SAP GRC is the host name.
How do you know? SAP.
GRC. See below, you can see that host name, no?
EH7.
No, that is SID. Yeah, that is the host name. SAP.
एक मिनट में होस्ट में देखें कैसे.
Yeah, देखो. वही रहते.
दिस वन.
Yeah.
तो क्या लिखेंगे इसे?
वही है उसने. Yeah. वही देना.
ओके. EH. ओके.
SAP GRC and the system number देखो SM51 में जाके.
कहाँ चले गए? ओके. क्या देना है?
SAP GRC.
That's it.
Yes, yes. Or yes, instance number C. Go to SM51 and see the in EC system. Yes, execute SM51. Here we cannot see.
SM59.
SM51.
नहीं, वहाँ स्टेटस पे भी आ जाता है वैसे.
Yeah.
स्टेटस में भी आ जाएगा ये.
स्टेटस में वो इंस्टेंस नंबर नहीं आएगा. ओके. ये 02.
02.
Yes.
तो इसका क्या मतलब, अब पूरा क्या देंगे? GRC.
What happened? वो तो स्क्रॉल डाउन करो. या नाउ 02. Yes.
ओके.
Yes. Now give our user ID. What is that? GRC user for
RFC.
ECC RFC, right? Correct spelling? User USR only or USER?
ECC RFC यूजर. ठीक है.
Okay, right.
सेव.
Yeah.
ये RFC गलत नहीं? RFC डेस्टिनेशन ये तो गलत है.
नहीं वो नहीं है. RFC destination अपना.
No, it's not right ना.
ECL అంటే 800.
तो सर जी, नॉट राइट ना. वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
No, that is not right. How come it came? Change?
No, you can change the destination. Destination cannot be changed.
No, before you have created ECC, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give ECC, yes. ECC. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Client 470 is not available in this system. Oh. Why? 478 client. हम 478 में है ना.
Yeah.
तो
What did he say?
CC client authorization test.
Authorization test. Client
Client is not available in this system.
So go and check in ECC.
नहीं, 478 तो हम दे भी नहीं रहे ना. इसे 800 राइट.
Yes, 800 only, no?
हाँ.
Why it is taking? No, that is not. We are in GRC only. Okay.
ये है ECC ना. तो इसमें 478 का तो मतलब ही नहीं है, इधर 800 है.
Yes.
GRC 478 ECC 800 EC client 3. Let's do the remote logon. Yeah, it came up. It's fine. We reached there.
See, that is
Sorry,
see, RFC that usually has the problem.
user the problem.
Yeah. That we have given one user, no? So instead of that, give GRC user 4.
GRC user 4.
No, I think that is not correct spelling. GRC user 4. USER there.
Okay, let me check. हाँ, GRC user 4. नहीं सर, ये तो अच्छा, ओके. GRC @321. Yes, here. Connection test. Authorization. See.
Right?
Why it's asking for 478?
Double like that. Why it is asking client 470 not available? So this is okay. So create one RFC from ECC to GRC.
ECC to GRC.
Yeah.
यार बस प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है ऐसे. ठीक है, GRC का कुछ होगा, देखना.
No, there is no RFC no, for GRC. GRC CL and 800. Sorry, 478. Now create GRC CLNT 478. Yeah. Four seven eight. Okay. What is GRC host name? So
SAP GRC.
GRC.
Really?
Same host name they have given.
Instance number.
Yeah, host name should not be one.
साला ये भी प्रॉब्लम है क्या? 00. ये क्या ECC आ गया? क्या हो गया?
No, you are creating RFC correction for ECC, right?
Yeah, I should go there. Right.
No. That is 02 only.
नहीं, इसका तो 00 है ना जीआरसी का।
जीआरसी का देख लेना, आई डोंट।
हाँ वही देखा है ना,
STM51 में जाओ।
ये है ना 00।
यस यस, ओके।
Client, it is not available in this system.
See, that is due to that host name, it is giving maybe error. See, both host names are same, no?
लेकिन डिफरेंट होने चाहिए ना ये।
No, got my point. What is happening? See,
नहीं लेकिन सर अब यहाँ देखो, एक मिनट, मैं समझ रहा हूँ व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज आई अंडरस्टैंड। सी दिस SAP GRC 00,
yes,
SAP GRC और इसका होस्ट दिस और नेम GRC,
yes.
उसका डिफरेंट है, उसका होस्ट डिफरेंट है।
So host name also same. SAP GRC.
हाँ लेकिन ये 87 है ना,
Site is different.
या ऐसे करे ना, ये जो है इसको कॉपी करे ना, SAP GRC EH72 ये सर्वर है राइट।
Yes.
तो ये है हमारा ECC का राइट। तो हम वहाँ जाएं RFC में, ECC क्लाइंट।
No. See, it based on host name, it will come. So check IP address also same for both. IP address also same, no?
लेट मी नो, आप क्या कह रहे हैं कि
So IP address also is the same. Okay, give target host is yes, sapgrc.com. So
क्या करूँगा, छोड़ो।
yeah, now do the remote login.
It's better. So
Yeah,
what to do?
yeah. After giving host name, full host name, go and check now. SAP-GRC, okay. This one,
Yeah, same है।
yeah, same. What is the problem होगा शायद। इसका एक ही एड्रेस, एक ही होस्ट नेम, तो प्रॉब्लम।
मैं से कॉल करूँ क्या?
Yeah. नहीं तो उसको पूछ लेना, RFC करेक्शन करके देना बोल के। 478 to 800, 800 to 478.
यार सर जी अब इतना टाइम लग रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रही।
यही थे प्रॉब्लम, सेम होस्ट that is looking for that client in the host, same host.
Calling that guy. तो सर जी इसका जो 473 है, जो मेन है इसका 473, तो उसका भी नहीं होगा फिर सर?
Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
मैं जो हमारा 473 है हमारा मेन जो क्लाइंट है,
Yeah, वो भी उसको भी यही आएगा ना, सेम होस्ट आएगा उसको भी.
नहीं मतलब उसमें मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कोई ईसीसी का कुछ चलेगा, जैसे ईसीसी क्लाइंट, अच्छा ये यहाँ पर आ गया ना, बिकॉज वी क्रिएटेड इट.
Yeah, once we create the same RFC, you can use.
नहीं, आई मीन टू से कि they have two different system but they did not create the RFC connections, that I'm saying. Are you there?
Yeah, किधर GRC 473. Okay. Yeah, go to that. We will check.
ये तो जीआरसी में है ना.
Yeah. Okay, GRC CLNT 473.
WF बैच.
Okay. So remote login में क्लिक करा, किधर जाते हैं वो?
तो कहीं नहीं जाएगा वो तो.
हाँ. फिर
वो क्योंकि जीआरसी का ना, ये तो जीआरसी में ही है ना.
उसे GRC में है. ठीक
या
है.
दिस इज
See, RFC, ये RFC यूजर.
सर जी ये जीआरसी के अंदर ही बना है फॉर जीआरसी, सो इट डजंट मीन एनीथिंग, राइट?
Yes.
दे डिडंट मेक फॉर 800. उन्होंने ऐसे पकड़ा दिया मुझे.
खाली 473 में बनाया हुआ.
रोज ही कितना टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है सर जी.
या. ये लोगों को ये पूरा टेक्निकल चीज नहीं मालूम रहते, वो ऐसी बात.
क्या करें सर जी फिर?
क्या इज नॉट लिफ्टिंग द फोन?
सॉरी, नो दे नॉट पिकिंग द कॉल.
टाइम इज 10:30 ना यार.
Yeah, let me call another.
ठीक है, मैं ढूंढता हूँ थोड़ी देर और एक रास्ता है क्या बोल के. ओके.
They're not picking up. So, Sarji, you know what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
Instead of doing all these things, we'll do it later.
Okay.
क्योंकि इसी में हमारे 10 days निकल जाएंगे.
Okay.
So, I have another system, which is also 10.1, which I bought it, the same price, as I told you before.
Yeah.
तो हम वो यूज करके हम लेट्स गो फर्दर. कुछ पढ़ूं तो सही ना. आई शुड नो समथिंग फर्दर. Installation is like configuration is one thing, but if it is configured, then how to work?
Okay. Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So let's तो अब उसी पे काम करते हैं फिर। ये मैं जब तक ठीक नहीं होता आई विल नॉट लेट यू नो, सो दिस विल गो पैरेलली
Okay.
बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली द 5-10%, राइट?
Yeah.
80% इज दैट वन,
Yes.
तो वही करते हैं फिर।
Okay. Okay then.
ओके तो कैसे करें फिर?
उसी में करेंगे। हाँ ठीक है, उसमें वो आरएफ करेक्शन सब है ना।
नहीं, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि इसको ना अभी छोड़ देते हैं फिलहाल, ये जिम।
या फिलहाल इसको छोड़ देना।
वो हम जैसे ठीक हो गए तो उस टाइम कर लेंगे। बाकी
Okay.
और जो चीजें हैं, सारी चीजें आई मीन इज ए 10%, राइट?
Yes.
90% तो वो है ना सारा,
Yeah.
तो लेट्स वो स्टार्ट कर देंगे। यस
Yes. Okay.
यस।
ये वही है, टाइम निकल जा रहा है इसलिए मैं भी।
हाँ, कोई फायदा नहीं है सर, मुझे ना एक
इसका
हाँ
तो शाम तक के एक और रास्ता है क्या बोल के ढूंढता हूँ। अगर अगर ये if we are both systems are having same IP address and same host name, if anyway we can create RFC connection, okay, I will find out. Okay, so in the meantime we will work on that. Okay.
ठीक है। अच्छा, मुझे ना एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछना है।
Yeah.
1 second, 1 second, I'm opening it. Oh, you can't see my screen, right?
No. I'm able to screen this GR system only.
You can't see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me close this. I'm calling you then.
Okay.
Okay. I'm closing this meeting. This meeting or what? Yeah. I can't show you my screen from
Yeah.
here.
I'm stopping sharing this one.
Okay. Yeah. You're right.
Okay, you can
Yes.
share your screen.
तो सर जी, ये जूम आपका है कि कंपनी का एक्सप्लोर का है?
कौन सा है?
ये जूम जो आप यूज करते हो?
नहीं, ये कंपनी का नहीं है, मेरा है।
ओके, देन इट्स फाइन। या तो इसमें अब हमने
Now you can share your screen.
यस, आई एम डूइंग इट।
No. You can share your screen.
That I'm trying to do it, because a lot of things.
Oh,
Uh,
1 second.
Can
Yes.
you see it?
Yeah, now I am able to see.
बोला
Okay.
क्लोज कर दिया गलती से। अब अगेन रनिंग NWB से। एक मिनट। ओके, NWB से कहाँ गया? I can see the screen. Where is screen? Let me. कहाँ पर है? कहाँ मैं करूँ सर? आप देख रहे हैं ना?
नहीं. I am not able to see your screen.
कहाँ जाऊँ मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करने के लिए? ओके, तो सर मैं कैसे दिखाऊं आपको?
Yeah, one second.
डिलीट शुड आई डिड आई डिलीट इट और
Oh, share your share screen. Okay. Yeah.
ओके या आई गॉट इट.
And, okay. Right.
ये है एक्सेस रिस्क.
Okay.
$354.
The access risks.
S is 054.
वो नया ना वो.
Yes, oh. ये है रिस्क है SO54.
No, no.
Okay.
I'm saying I am seeing the same screen setup.
Oh, you're not seeing this screen?
No, no, no.
SO. Are you not seeing the risk?
No, no. I'm able to see that setup only.
मैं कैसे जाऊँ आगे?
Yeah, again click on access risks.
Yeah, I stop share, again share it.
Okay.
You can see it?
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay, this risk is SO54. It has two functions, AR06, AR07.
Yes, yes.
If I click on AR06, and it shows three transactions, F2767, FV75. Okay. और अगर मैं AR07 में जाता हूँ, there's a FB75, this one.
Okay.
So is it possible to have one transaction in both functions?
Same transaction?
Yeah.
No, normally why we keep same transaction in both functions?
No, I'm just asking, is it possible or not? Generally, people do it or not?
No, not do it. It is possible. But
Any
why?
possible though? Yeah.
Yeah, but why we create two functions? In each function, we keep the conflicting T codes, different set of conflicting T codes.
Different, right? Not the same.
They are not the same.
So it's not possible to have this transaction on both sides, right?
Possible we can put in, but
No. I'm not saying technically. I'm saying logically. Because technically you can do anything you want.
Yeah, no, logically it's not possible.
Not possible. Okay, and let us suppose if I want to see something FB70 related to permission. Okay, so here I can see, right? FB75. Now, can you see what are the changes? Like here, I'm seeing it. Let me, how to do that? 1 second. I'm taking this is permission. Or I can see the active, right? Let me check active only for this. Inactive. Oh, all are inactive. All. So this is active. All are inactive. So my question is like these are all inactive means these are for no use, right?
Yes. Permissions.
These are, yeah. These are all of no use, right?
Yes.
Only this is use, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm seeing over there, this is this active, right?
No, I'm seeing only your risk ID S454. That's it.
नहीं अब क्या देख रहे हो आप?
Same S454 and these two function IDs.
Okay, now I opened the first function. Can you see it?
No.
नहीं?
No.
Okay, I'm going to stop, share. Now you can see it.
Now I'm seeing your this what you can see your desktop only, not your
yes.
desktop. I believe someone desktop. This is
सर जैसे कैसे कर रहे हैं?
now share. Yeah, now oh, again it's gone.
Can you see it?
No, no, no. I'm seeing just one remote desktop, that is SAP Logon, Success Factor, Google Chrome.
मैं कैसे दिखाऊं? Screen, share screen. Now what you're seeing?
Yeah, now I'm seeing okay, fine. AR06 function. Yes. Action
Okay.
F27.
Okay, FB75, right? Now I'm
Yes.
doing the permission, and I'm doing only for what you're seeing now.
Yeah, permission, group and permissions. Okay.
So I'm saying that FB75. Can you see the permission for FB75?
Yes, yes, yes.
And these are all are inactive except one, right?
Yes, one is active.
So only active we have to is in the consideration, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm taking the screenshot of this. Okay, only this.
Okay.
Okay, and this is value 1 to 2. Okay, now I'm closing it.
Uh,
Oh, stop sharing again. Okay. And I'm clicking the AR07. Can you see it? AR07.
No, no, no. Again, I am seeing desktop only.
Okay, I'm stopping it. 1 second. 1 second. Stop sharing. Share kiya. Share. I'm there. Share screen. What you can see?
Yeah, now I can see AR07. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Now I'm seeing the permission. Okay.
Okay.
Permission. I'm seeing FB75, and there is no FB75 here.
Mhm.
Right? So what does it mean?
Before that, where it is before?
In the permission group, in
Yeah,
the
permission group. You can go to the previous one.
but you'll not see it, right?
FB75. Okay.
Yeah, this I found FB75. Yeah, but why is not showing the FB75?
Okay.
I filtered it. Can you see it?
Yeah, those are all inactive.
Yeah, and okay. Now what I find is all are inactive. I'm talking about the second function. Same activity 0, 1 and 0, 2.
Yeah.
The value is same.
Okay.
So
Okay.
my question is
What is the
permission in.
permission?
My question is, first of all, two functions in the one disk. The two functions, both functions have FB75 as a transaction, and if you go to the permission level, both have the same permission.
See, yes, both, multiple T codes have same permission, same authorization object. See
No,
here, see this object, no. Permission means authorization object, right? This F underscore BKP, F underscore BUK object.
right.
Okay, for that function, for that object, activity 0102 is active. Okay. So this means against this object, there will be some other object which is active. These two objects are what you can say conflict.
Which two objects?
This object F underscore BKP, F underscore UK.
This object.
Okay, and
This subject.
go to other.
They are the same.
They are the
Same.
same.
Yes.
Yes, that means this object same in that what you can say function also, in that other function also, right?
Uh-huh. Yes.
So that means if the object is same object is having that means 0102 with the two functions.
Uh-huh.
So that is also
Same.
conflict.
Conflict.
Yes, conflict at object level. See, if you run risk analysis at permission level, okay,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
we can find out this f underscore bkp, f underscore buk,
Okay.
because this is active here. Okay.
Both places is active.
Yeah,
So
both places active means here T codes no, object is conflicting. In either T code, it should not be 0, 1 and 2.
okay, so it should be different, right?
Yes, should be different.
Okay, so okay. I'm just saying a
If same
conflict
object is having both same values, okay.
object means it is a some role you're saying.
No, object means authorization object. This f underscore bkp,
No, 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 I understand. But what I'm saying is we run the risk analysis for a user or the role, right?
Yes.
So I'm saying if the user has one role, that role has FV75
Yeah.
with 1 or 2 this value.
Yes.
So in that scenario, he'll get issue, right?
Yes, issue. That is issue.
Because why?
Why? Because see, he is having
Because
same
FV
object in some other T code. Got my point? Both T codes should not have same object with same values.
okay.
See,
Okay.
FB75 and
Okay, and then एक minute. We have two functions. Okay, if second function doesn't have FB75, let us suppose only one function have FB75 with activity 0102.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
and if we run the role or user which has FB75 activity 1 or 2, it will not give risk, right?
no,
Because
no.
FB75 is not linked to another transaction in the second function, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
And it will give the error because now both has FB75.
yes. No, both not having FB75, both having
Same permission,
same object.
same authorization object
Yes,
for the same transaction. If
yes,
they have the different, अच्छा एक minute example. Let us suppose role has one user has a role has FB75 with a 0 1, okay,
okay,
and one function has 0 1 0 2, other has a 3 and 4,
yeah.
okay. In that scenario, he will not get error risk,
No,
right?
what to give error?
And he is getting error because FB75 is on both sides and both has the same authorization values, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, exactly.
तो अब क्या करें इसको, मतलब
See, इसका मतलब क्या है? See,
they didn't make the right.
see this through this activity 0102, okay. This object provides like a change create permission, okay.
Yeah, no, understand.
Yeah, it is change and creation. Maybe it is okay for FB78 T code, FB75 T code, okay. But it should not be safe for other T code.
No,
Got my
T
point?
code, some function, different function, same
Yeah.
T code is fine, but should have different authorization object,
Yes.
right?
See, same object is just listen to me one minute, please.
Okay.
Normally people will get confused here only.
Okay.
See,
तो सर आप वो निकालो ना अपना नोटपैड, आप मैं now I'm not sharing, now you can share.
okay, say for example,
No, आप share करो ना अपना with the notepad.
okay. Say for example, there is one S underscore,
Sir, I cannot see your screen.
not see. Okay, I will share 1 second. Okay. Now
Yes. अब notepad खोलो आप. Yes.
okay. So take
Okay,
one
first write.
example s underscore develop.
तो पहले risk 1 करो ना सर. Risk 1 two functions. Risk 1 R1. Okay. Risk 1.
Okay, risk one.
उसके नीचे आ गया function 1 function 2. Function 1 tab function 2. Okay. अब उसके नीचे आ गया some transaction FB75. FB75.
No, I will show you with a simple
Okay,
object
sure.
example.
Sure.
So for example, SA38
Okay.
and some other SU, okay, 01, okay,
Okay.
and here,
And the function 2.
okay,
For the timing, don't take the same for a minute.
yeah, SU38,
Okay.
okay,
Uh-huh. And
here,
PFCG. PFCG.
FCG, okay.
Okay. Very simple. Right.
So now in SA38, we can give one permission.
No, अभी permission को भूल जाओ. Just go without permission right now.
Okay.
If some
See here conflict is उसी में है conflict SC01 PFCG में है conflict.
नहीं अब जैसे ये function 1 function 2, if some user has SA38 as well as SCU01, he will get one risk, right? He'll get the risk. And if he has like there is a combination of 4, right? 4 में कोई भी आएगा, he'll get the issue risk, right?
Yes.
Like if someone has
See.
SA38 SU01, he'll get the risk. If someone has SA38 and SC38, he'll get the risk. If someone has SC38 and PFCG, he'll get the risk. Is that true?
See, normally, see here, at T code level, say for example, SA38, SE38, okay? If SCA38, SE38, both are two different T codes, right?
In the two different functions. That's why
two different functions, okay?
yes, so it
So
become
here,
risk.
combination of SA38, SE38
Give
may
the
not
risk.
be a risk if you look at the action level, T code level.
At T code level, it is a risk, right?
No, it may not be a risk.
No, sir, we are talking about this example. Don't forget about actual क्या होना चाहिए. But the main thing is because you made the risk with a function 1, function 2, function 1 has these T codes, function 2 has these T codes. Under this scenario, there will be risk, right?
Yes. See, here risk, okay, I'm talking, okay. SA38, PFCG one risk, SA38, SE38 another risk, okay. And SU01, SE38 another risk, SU01, PFCG another risk, okay.
And also SA38 and SU01 is a risk, right?
Here?
Yes. Sir, we are talking about this scenario.
No, this is not risk.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
A38 SU01 is not risk. If it is a risk, why we put in the same function?
Acha. Basically, it should be combination of two functions always, not in the same.
Always, not in the same.
Okay, they can be. Okay, I understand. Okay.
Okay. See, here also sometimes what will happen? See, SA38 PFCG may be one risk. Okay.
Yes, action level.
And SU01 SE38 may be another risk.
Right.
And SE01 PFCG may be another risk. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
But SA38 SE38 may not be a risk at the action level.
But ये तो सर जी ये तो होगा ना action level होगा ना as per this scenario.
See, sometimes may not be a risk. Okay. At the action level, I am talking about action level. Okay. T code level. Okay. But these two maybe create a risk at object level, at permission level.
Okay.
That why I will show you that. Okay. If SCA38 also we can see S underscore development object. Okay. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
If this is having 0, 1, okay. Normally SA38 to generate reports only. Okay.
नहीं सर मैं एक चीज बता दूं कि जैसे आपने ये रिस्क बनाया इस फंक्शन में SE38 है, उधर SE38 है, तो ये तो 100% रिस्क आएगा ना एक्शन पर.
See, what I am saying, sometimes even though there are two T codes, maybe
Is that
exist
not at
two
the
different
action level, but at the permission level? Is that you're saying?
Yes, yes.
So is it possible?
Yes, yes. Is it possible? That's why we run risk analysis at even permission level also.
Right. Okay.
Okay, sometimes SA38, SE38 may not be a risk if we run risk analysis at action level.
Okay.
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 But if you take it
Permission level.
if it is not a risk, okay, it may be at risk inside at object level.
Okay.
Why? Because see, if you give S underscore develop 0, 1 permission for SA38, okay. But see, for example, if you give,
they keep on going. I understand.
okay.
So you're saying as a developer is a 0, 1 for asset.
Exists at SE38 also. Okay, if you give for the 0, 1, okay, if you maintain same 0, 1 value, okay, both ways, what will happen? Okay, so if you give 0, 1 in SA38, and if you give develop at 0, 3, SE38. So in SE38 S developments, he can display only. He cannot create programs.
Yes.
But if you give for the same object 0, 1 for SE38, okay, the same object exists in SE38 also.
Okay.
So he will get access to 0, 1 also. So he can create programs.
Okay.
Okay, that leads to a risk, right?
नहीं, आप कह रहे हैं कि SA38 के परमिशन लेवल पे ये है और SE38 के परमिशन लेवल पे 03 है, right? Now talk about the role or user. User has what so that he can get the risk.
Yes. Yeah, in this scenario, this is a risk.
नहीं, ये तो अपने risk की definition है ना. I'm saying that SA38, if you click on the permission level, you find as develop 01, right?
Yes.
SE38 you got 03. Now I'm talking, this is the definition. Now go to the user. The user, what user should have to get it, to get the risk? Oh, you are saying if user has SA38 as develop 01, same thing if he has, then there's a risk. But
Yes.
if he has SE38 as a 01, then he'll not get risk.
SE38 also 01, no?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
He should have all the things same.
Yes.
Okay.
But sometimes at T code level, it
is not.
Not be a risk. Okay.
But permission level it can
at
be.
Permission level, it may be a risk. Got it?
तो सर अगर अब वो मुझे अब मैं वो करना चाहूँ, अब मैं क्या करूँ? मतलब लेट अस सपोज आपने देखा है both side, just make it SA38 on both side, SA38 and S develop 01.
Okay.
SA38.
Okay.
Yeah, A38 and S develop 01.
Okay. Both sides.
हाँ, जैसे आपने देखा मेरा सिनेरियो, right?
Yeah, it may not be a risk.
No, then is a risk, right?
See, risk means, see, already both sides it is having same values.
Yeah, that I'm saying, that's why it's a risk, right?
No, it is not risk. Because why? Because here we are restricting SA38 already having this object. Okay.
Okay.
This function also same object with same value. What is the risk inside? At object level, no risk.
Action level?
At action level, maybe.
No, you tell me now. Maybe.
No. SA38 is not risk. Both are not.
Sir, you don't think about SA38. Just say ABC. You are saying SA30 is not risk because you know that is not risk.
Yes.
What I'm saying is there's some transaction, same transaction on both sides.
Yeah.
and permissions are same, transaction is same.
Yeah.
तो रिस्क है कि नहीं है?
Permissions are same and transactions are same. No risk. What is the risk? See, you got it. What is the functions? Functions need to contain conflicting decodes. See, for
Uh-huh.
example, you remove this SA38. See, if you have SC01 in function 1, you have PFCG in function 2. Okay?
Hmm.
So same permissions, same permission values. Okay, both are different objects. Okay, some having same objects also. Okay, same permission, same values. Is it risk or not? Tell me.
Same permission, same value. So basically, first of all, at action level,
Yeah, first of all, at action level,
there should be risk because both are
Risk.
different transactions. If the user has both SU01 PFCG, right?
yes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you give SC01 here, is it a risk?
मुझे भी नहीं मालूम से, I don't know.
Not risk. See, here user is already having SC01. We are going to assign again SC01. What is the risk in it?
So the thing I showed you, FB75, there's no problem. Is that you're saying?
Yes, same. See, user is having FB75 here,
On both sides.
okay, on both sides. Okay.
So you're saying there's no risk.
Here now it is no risk, but with combination of other T codes, okay. Got my point?
No.
Now it is no risk.
Okay.
Okay. Function 1 is having only FB75. Function 2 is having only FB75, no risk.
Okay.
Okay. But with combination of other T codes, say for example, it is having some FB65, for example, I don't know whether it is having,
That's fine.
okay, and whether it is having another FB78, okay, with
Okay.
combination of other T codes, it may be a risk, okay, that who decides that finance consultant know about that conflicting or not.
नहीं मुझे वो तो उसको छोड़ दो ना फंक्शन को, like how why it is risk now and why it was not risk before.
Yeah, see for example, combination of again FB75, okay, with the combination of FB65 may act some other way.
Okay.
Okay, FB75 will give some authorizations. With the FB65, okay, it may act in some other way. Got my
But
point?
but FB75 is not linked to FB65 because for the risk they should be the different functions, right?
Yes, different functions. What I am saying is, with the combination of other T codes, okay, it may conflict to same T code in other function. Okay. But if we have only both T codes in two functions, only one T code in both functions, same T code, okay, it is not a risk. That's what I am saying.
Okay.
With combination of other T codes, it may be a risk.
Okay.
Because the functionality of each T code is different.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So that is what I am saying.
Okay. They shouldn't be, by the way, they shouldn't be same T code on both sides, right?
Yes.
They should not be, right?
Yes, they should not be.
And if it is there, they should have the different permission. Is that?
Yes. So basically, it is based on the functionality of each T code. Okay. See, we cannot judge, okay, all T codes in the same way. Okay. So like unless and until we know the functionality of the T code, okay, we cannot say whether it leads to a risk or not. But normally, if the same T code is exists in normally we should T code should not be two functions, the same.
Okay. Okay. But if it is there, then they should have different permission. Is that also
Yes,
is
yes.
that true or not?
Yes, yes, with different permissions.
Okay. They can have they can be the same T code could be on the different function, but they should have different permissions, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's fine.
Okay. With
Okay, sir.
with the 0 1 permission in one function, with 0 3
Yeah.
value in another function. That again conflict, right? Obviously.
Okay.
0
Tell me
1
one
0
thing. Tell me one thing. Like FB75 on both sides, and
Yes.
first has a 0 1, second has 0 3. Okay. Now, if the user has only 0 1, then there is no risk,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
At permission level, there is no risk, but at transaction level, there is a risk. Is that true or not?
No, transaction level not risk.
Okay, but that level, okay.
Yes,
And
yes.
if he has 0 1 and 0 3 both, then there is a risk
Yes.
at transaction at permission level.
Yes, permission level.
And once, but it will never be the action level in case if both have the same value, same
Yes,
transaction.
not action level. Yes, exactly.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है सर, तो मैं अब आई विल टॉक टू दैट गाय, ओके,
Okay.
एंड आई विल अपडेट यू. अदरवाइज तो सर फिर वही करते हैं, just forget about this thing that I will handle it. If you can do something, that's why. Otherwise, no issues. We'll start from there. I have another system, so we'll do
Okay.
from there. ठीक है सर.
Yeah.
तो सर फिर कल I'm not doing it the session. Now can you do on Saturday evening?
Saturday evening. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
तो मुझे सर प्लीज 2 घंटे दे देना आप.
Sure, sure. Definitely. From tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, you
I
told
will
me,
have
right?
some leisure time. Yes.
Yeah. Saturday evening then.
Yes, yes.
And if possible, please give me your full name so that if I want, I can send you through Western Union.
Yeah, my
Name.
so can't you send through bank? I yesterday I sent you my
Yeah, you send me that. I'm saying that that will be easier if I send you through the Western Union.
okay. My Western
Name.
Union means name is enough or
Only name.
only name? Okay.
Yes. Once I thing is, you'll give me your full name. I'll
Yeah.
put the full name over there, and then you know Western Union or not?
Yes, yes, I know Western Union.
Okay, so you'll go there. I'll give the code. You'll give the code and your name. That's it.
Okay, okay. 1 second. As per my PAN card, I will give my name. Okay, so
Yeah.
that it would be easy for them also. No. Anyway,
Yes,
I have
yes.
to give my ID card also there.
Yes, you'll show your ID card.
Yeah.
तो आप मुझे WhatsApp कर देना. आपका है के श्रीनिवासा राव, right?
Yeah, yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Can I WhatsApp कर दूँ या Skype में दे दूँ?
नहीं, WhatsApp कर दो. WhatsApp better है.
Okay then.
ठीक है सर.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay जी. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.